Hi, I'm Ashley. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's tutorial we are going to be talking about something that's a little bit more technical, but it is something that will drastically change your digital art, which are layers in Procreate. If you've been staring at your screen and it's just been crazy chaotic, layers are the secret weapon that you've been missing. They're gonna help you keep things organized and allow you to have a lot more control over your drawing. So let's get right into it. All right. So, layers in Procreate, these are basically like having multiple sheets of transparent paper stacked on top of each other. So you can draw on each one separately, they don't mix unless you don't want them to. And this means that you can sketch on one layer, you can color on another, you can add details on another one, and so on and so on. So you can move, hide, and adjust any layer without messing up the rest of your drawing as well. For example, let's say that we're just going to draw a heart for this example. You'd start with the outline on one layer, and then you can add another color for the actual color fill of the heart. If you decide later that you don't like that color, that's no problem. You can go ahead and tweak that and add another layer if you want, or we can just tweak the color layer without actually touching the outline. So, total lifesaver, right? All right, now that you're getting the hang of layers, let's take it a step further. But before we dive deeper, if you are finding this video helpful, please hit that like button. It helps me get these tutorials out to Procreate artists just like you, and I want to be able to help as many people as possible. Okay, let's get back to the layers. So why do layers matter? They allow you to be able to make mistakes essentially, or have the freedom to make mistakes without ruining absolutely everything in your artwork. So imagine if you've spent hours and hours on a portrait drawing and you decided you hated the color of the eyes, but you wanted to go back and fix them, but your artwork was all on one layer. That would be an absolute nightmare, and you'd be spending an additional however many hours just to fix that. If you had your eyes specifically on a separate layer, it will make your life so much easier because you only have to adjust the color on that specific layer because you thought ahead. Blending modes that just allow you to mix in layers together in really cool ways. So you can think of these of like filters for your art. So if you want to make shadows pop, for example, if you want to add any highlights, you can use blending modes just to get some more awesome effects there as well. So also name your layers. Trust me, they're going to save you big time and will definitely save you a headache later as well. So if you're working on something with like a lot of detail, but you don't want to guess which layer is in the background and which one's for shading, it's like labeling folders in a computer, so it just makes sense. So that's the basic of layers. Essentially, they are going to allow you to stay organized. They allow you to have some fun by playing around and mixing up different ideas. And they also allow you to fix your mistakes and make that process so much easier for you as well. So the next time that you're working on a piece, try using layers for different parts, even if it's just for outline, filling in, or color fill, and then shading, and you can see how much control you have. And please let me know in the comments, what is the most frustrating thing for you when it comes to layers? I'm all ears. Until next time, bye.